In this video, we'll show you how to wash your trainers the right way to remove stubborn dirt, eliminate odors, and make them look brand new again. Whether they are canvas, mesh, or synthetic, using the correct technique ensures you don't damage the glue or the shape of your favorite pair. You'll need a mild liquid detergent, a soft bristled brush, a microfiber cloth, and a mesh laundry bag. You will also want a few old towels to put in the machine. Avoid using bleach, as it can turn white soles yellow, and never put your trainers in the dryer, as high heat can warp the soles and melt the adhesive. Start by removing the laces and the insoles. Washing these separately ensures a deeper clean and helps the shoes dry faster. Use a dry brush to knock off loose mud, dirt, and stones from the soles. If your trainers are caked in mud, let it dry first. It's much easier to brush off dry dirt than to smear wet mud into the fabric. Before they go in the machine, give the rubber soles a quick scrub. Use a bit of soapy water and your brush to get into the grooves. For the laces, you can soak them in a bowl of warm soapy water or put them inside a small mesh bag to keep them from getting tangled in the wash. Place your trainers inside a mesh laundry bag to prevent them from banging against the drum. Put them in the washing machine along with 2 or 3 old towels. The towels act as a buffer, balancing the load and reducing the noise. Use a cold water setting and a delicate cycle with a small amount of liquid detergent. Once the wash is finished, remove the trainers and stuff them with crumpled white paper towels or plain packing paper. This helps them keep their shape and absorbs moisture from the inside. Place them in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight or radiators, as extreme heat can make the materials brittle. Wait until the shoes are 100% dry, which usually takes about 24 hours, before reinserting the insoles and relacing them. If you want an extra fresh finish, you can give them a quick spray with a fabric protector to help repel future stains. With these simple steps, your trainers will stay fresh, clean, and durable for your next run or walk. Proper care is the best way to make your footwear last longer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy gear maintenance tips.